Got the
What's up, cousins? It's your country cousin Amber, and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I do primarily do natural hair content, as you guys may or may not be able to see right now, but you guys will see in just a second. I am primarily natural hair content, but we all know with natural hair comes protective styling and just wanting to switch it up without having to damage or really touch your natural hair. I really don't do a lot of colored units, especially a lot of colored straight units. So I'm excited to unbox it. This is what the box looks like, and if you can't see with my ring light, it just says DIVASWIGS. And then inside you have, of course, the wig paddle brush. They put a wig grip band in my box. So this is my hair, and this is day 4, I think, or day 5 of that Hawaiian silky wash and go. So my hair is still super soft and it still has a lot of body and bounce. And honestly, if I'm being super honest, if I didn't have to film this video for DIVASWIGS, I probably would stretch this wash and go at least 2 more days. Obviously I can't do that now because I have to prep my hair for the wig. So just a little specs on my natural hair. I have low porosity, medium density, fine stranded natural hair. And because of that, I don't braid down my hair, particularly for the fine strands. I don't do like cornrows underneath my wigs. I do 2 to 4 plaits. That's what they call in the South. They call plaits. So I'm just gonna do 4 today, try to get a little bit flatter since it's a straight unit. I love straight units because you guys get a lot flatter than you do with girl units. But I'm sorry about this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish breaking it down, and let's go to stop talking, finish breaking it down. You guys just watch the process of the styling, and then I'll come check out something else. But I wanted to come and talk to you guys about this real quick because you guys know, like I just said, I still have that Hawaiian silky in my hair. A lot of people were saying that Hawaiian silky makes their hair really sticky and that's why they don't use it. I do want to say that my hands aren't sticky, but they are very greasy. As you guys saw, I didn't have to add anything to my hair, and my hair feels really soft. It was really easy to braid. Just, I don't know, my hair just feels really protected, really moisturized, and it does have a coating on it. But I think that's good for protective styling because, you know, that wig cap can, we talked about this, can be breaking off hair at the top of your head and drying your hair out and things like that. And I feel like my hair is going to be really protected under. So I just realized when I unboxed it, I just showed y'all what was in the box. I actually didn't show y'all the wig. Y'all see what's going on there, child? We got some color going on in the heels, okay? Everybody talks about people having Eddie Monsters up here. I don't have that, but I have them on the sides. Like, people don't talk about the fact that this is not a receding hairline. People have Eddie Monsters on the side too, like hair that just grows forward, way a whole lot more forward than the rest of their hairline. I know I can't be the only person, but I did just want to show you guys like the construction of it with the lace going all the way around. And then of course it has, oh, this one has 4 actually, 4 combs instead of the standard 3. And then it also has the adjustable straps at the bottom, which I'm going to go ahead and adjust to my setting. They do have detailed instructions about how to cut your lace, but basically I usually start, and I ain't saying this is right, I ain't even read theirs, I just cut my lace the same way every time. I usually start at the ear line, and there's like a little like connection piece here, that is where I start to cut, just because it just makes the most sense to me. And I cut along the hairline. Basically, I cut along the hairline, close enough to the hairline to not actually cut the hairline. I'm just gonna hope for the best, because this one don't have no tag on it, so. Let's see how it works. Oh, okay. Okay, so basically now I'm just trying to now I'm just trying to line it up, child. I don't want it all the way forward. And then folks, whenever I be wearing my wigs, they be like, you need to pull your wig forward a little bit. I'm like, no, I don't. I just got a big forehead. Like, hey, that's what my hairline is for real. Basically, you telling me I need to pull my forehead back. So with the wig cap, basically now, it ain't going nowhere. That is why people like them, because really it's the only thing you need to secure your units. The only thing that I don't particularly care for is, like, I don't know how other people get their hairlines to lay down with these without pinning them. Maybe it has a lot to do with my hairline being so funny. So I did have to pull it forward a little bit to align it with my hairline. I just feel like that's so far forward for my hairline. Like, I don't feel like it looks realistic for me, but whatever. So for me, I'm just gonna pin right here at the ears. Like, that's one thing that I feel like don't nobody touch on in their videos. Like, what is happening with this right here? Like, is this just me? Like, is y'all's touching y'all's wig cap and it ain't going nowhere? Or what? Like, we need to address this. Okay, so I just wait a minute. Okay, so I may have figured it out. Like, nobody's addressing that part. Nobody's addressing what we do with these side flaps when you use the wig grip method. Alright guys, so these are the results. This is what the wig looks like. Your girl went and beat her thing. Wait, I ain't said it yet. I ain't said it. Hold on. So yeah, I'll scoot back a little and sit up and show you guys. And I do want to say that I did not curl this unit. It has the dark roots up here, which I think is very flattering on brown skin or dark skin girls. I feel like we can wear whatever colors we want. Don't let anybody sit up here and tell you that because of the tone of your skin, you can't wear whatever color hair you want to and not be considered ghetto. Other colors can do it. They can wear whatever color hair they want to and not be considered ghetto, not be considered, you know, ratchet. They're just eclectic and fun and vibrant. So yeah, that's it for this video. I gave you guys an updated version of my super simple wig hacks. If you haven't seen my old wig hack video, I'll link it in the description box as well as in the cards, and you guys can get more details on different things that I do to make my wigs look a little bit more realistic. Again, I'm not trying to make you believe this is my hair, honey, okay? We know this is not my hair, okay? That's just not my thing. You know, I'm not really into fooling you, but to look realistic and to just look like a good unit. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and comment down below, and if you made it all the way to the end of this video, sis, bro, cousin, that's what you should be. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, become my cousin, and I will see all you guys in the next upload.